One of the challenges of designing an urban enclave in the middle of the city is everything is already contemporary. You have traffic everywhere, and then people don't have spaces to walk in. So creating a connection was really a challenge and really an honor for us to be able to execute. Design HQ's inspiration was urban courtyard living. From there, we think what works best is a mix of traditional meets modern and contemporary. Living in Portico, the advantage is really the location. It's in the quiet side of Ortigas. So we had this idea na Portico would be a relaxed life, but you're still in the middle of the city. Upon entering the lobby of Portico, you could definitely see the nature around. You have these large windows, then inside we have a very refreshing palette. It's not in contrast with how the nature looks outside, but we have these punches of color. Yeah, small details are really important and they're intentional. So for example, you have a classic wing chair and then you add a very different texture just to add this modern twist. Portico was actually also inspired by the New York brownstone. So given this brief, we're also inspired to incorporate elements such as a cobblestone. We also wanted to incorporate a very intricate wrought iron on the entryway going into the lobby. As interior designers, it's our job to be able to execute those different technicalities. The target market for Portico is young families, and then you also have the young professionals living within the Ortigas Central Business District. It's a balance of technical and aesthetic. It's providing accessibility through design. My team and I imagined a family living in Portico. Coming home, they'd walk around the courtyards, a lot of greens, a lot of breathing space, and everything's relaxed. Portico welcomes the intersection of urban and natural, the doorway to fresh experiences in a vibrant neighborhood.